Welcome to Pebbles channel. We have already learned how to conjugate verbs in the present tense and also in the past tense, passé composé. So today we will be learning another new tense. So we are going to learn a tense to indicate the future, that is, the action has not yet been done. So to say, to speak in the future. So this is a very simple tense. The rule is Parler conjugation plus the verb in the infinitive. The Parler conjugation plus the verb in the infinitive. So you know the Parler conjugation. I hope you remember it. And the verb in its infinitive form. So shall we see some of the examples? Now for example, demain, tomorrow. So this word demain indicates that it is in the future. Tomorrow, je vais faire une So this is the example of the futur proche. Demain, je vais faire. So I am going to do une randonnée. Now, if you see this, it is vais for the Parler conjugation for je. So Parler conjugation plus the verb in the infinitive. Now, how would you write this sentence in the present? So je fais une randonnée. So, is this right? This is how you write it in the present tense. To make it the future, we put Parler conjugation plus the verb in the infinitive form. So now we will be practicing some exercises, but before that I am going to show you a conversation where they use this tense. So now try reading these sentences along with me. Demain, on va faire une randonnée. So, if you see, demain, tomorrow, on va faire. So, this is in the future. Futur proche, in the near future. So, on va faire. Now, va is the Parler conjugation for third person singular and faire is the infinitive of the verb. Une randonnée. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? And you, what are you going to do? So again, here va is the Parler conjugation and faire is the infinitive of the verb. The next sentence, je suis fatigué, I am tired. Je vais rester ici. Je vais rester ici. So here again, vais is the Parler conjugation for je and rester is the infinitive of the verb. The next sentence, je vais lire un roman. Je vais lire un roman. Now, vais again the Parler conjugation plus lire is the infinitive of the verb. So this tense is very simple. All you have to know is the Parler conjugation, which I am sure you are thorough by now. We have gone through that many times. So you have to write the Parler conjugation for that subject and the infinitive of the verb given. So that is the simple rule for futur proche. Now this is used for events that are in the near future. It is called futur proche, near future. So now we have learnt 3 tenses: the present tense, the passé composé and the futur proche.